they focus their prep heavy dun against Pacific Macta. So now that they have to fight a different team on the side of Ubek Maniac, maybe they're not as prepared. And that's the reason, one of the reasons nga kung bakit sila pumili ng mapa tong Mexico. So now, papasok na din po tayo dito. Let's all go to Mexico as SGJ magsisimula dito sa BL side at sa GR naman ang Ubek Maniac. And tingnan mo ba naman, slow it down. Ganito kaaga sa gantong mapa. And now, it's just a time of test and patience. Granada, tinapon sa mga muka ng SGJ. Kaso nga lang, wala nahulog. And this time around, CR Control nakuha na ng SGJ. This opens options for the team of the Blacklist.
Mhm. And let us see. Meron ng center road control. Dito ang SGJ. Going in towards yung market side natin. Pero Ubek Maniac, tamang hold lang muna. They're holding sewers. They're holding itong A side natin. B, still, there is a member. No, naka-hold lang talaga this entire time. GR usually having the advantage sa mapa na to, and it's very difficult na makapasok yung BL dito.
Granada.
Pero KSA already hit by a nade. Gusto niya pumasok dito sa site. Nahanap niya si KLP in between the gap. KLP, nakita na si KSA, pero Yobe but one in return and a very fast take papunta dito sa B site, pero hindi pa safe. Hindi pa safe ang mapa na to. Mexico is so small that the rotations are so quick between yung mga sites natin. Merong isang tao sa alley,
Red
isang
light.
tao dito sa entrance, isang tao na magagaling dito sa mid-side. KLB getting the kill kay Yobib, and
Too much.
Keller gonna go down. And unfortunate para sa SGJ, but that is just how Mexico works, pare.
Gusto ko din sabihin, no, this was a bit of a game galing sa utility na pinapakita sa atin ng Ubek Maniac. Tingnan mo, pagkapasok na yung mga membro ng SDJ sa mismong bomb site, mababa na ang kanilang buhay. Bakit? Kasi sa kaaga-agahang parte ng round, may nakita tayong mga granada na tinatapon all the way galing sa A side going to the CR control. Now, kahit nakuha ng SGJ ang control doon sa CR, the damage has already been done. Galing sa side ng Ubek Maniac. And with that, oo, nakakuha sila ng B site, pero tingnan mo ba naman ang buhay nila? It's just too low na napaka-disadvantageous sila sa mga labanan that proceeded either way. Ngayon, default sila and it looks like they want to try to do something. Here's the A.
Yep, Ali is the way to go. Pero Dolph, of course, getting the kill gamit yung kanyang shotgun dito. The XM1104 is viable in Mexico. Keller already down. Nasa kanila na yung control ng mid. However, it's still a pretty difficult time para sa SGJ para makapasok sa mga sites natin. Ubek getting the memo. Kailangan lang nila magstay sa side ng mapa nila. They really don't have to go too frisky. Pero KSA, 1 HP. XM1104 in action once again para sa side ng Ubek Maniac. And that is allowed. That is a CFS gun ang hawak na dito. And no shot para kay Tino. Trying to get the numbers back. Elvin nakuha na kasi Dolph dito sa kabila. So, is the game plan para sa SGJ. Medyo stuck sila sa mid. Very common problem dito sa Mexico. Pero pagpapasok sila ng A, it's a choke point. Pagpapasok sila ng B, it's a choke point. It's just so many choke points na kailangan isipin dito ng SGJ.
Mahirap at madami talagang kailangan nilang paingatan dito. Nakapasok na dito si Elvin
Tino!
sa likod, pero si Tino is the one who actually makes the site even more open for them. Now, C4, planted, retake. Dalawa na lang is a 2v2. Kaso si No, ginamitan ng popcorn. And Jat, Elvin, the person that we're gonna say that is going to be the X factor for SCJ right now, is left to clutch 1v2. KLP,
Okay, stuck.
mga bala, tumagos. At dahil dyan, Ubek Maniac, gusto pa nila ipatuloy ang kanilang momentum dito. 2-0 na ngayon ang scoreline natin.
Yup, 2-0 para dito sa Ubek Maniac. Great nade lineup papunta sa forklift in order to clear itong si Tino, who is already showing some Tino magic dito sa Mexico with that double kill gamit yung kanyang Colt. And SGJ, another foiled round para sa kanila dito. And the biggest thing about Mexico, man, pag nabawasan na kayo agad dito sa mid, there's still 4 players that you have to worry about. Pero KLP, unnecessary aggression sa entrance ng A. He was trying to get a pick-off sa isang member ng SGJ in order to make the offense a lot harder. Pero meron pa naman dalawang player na nasa mid, nagtatago lang dito sa gilid. But SGJ though, great start para dito sa round nila, man.
Napakaganda. Slowing it down naman ngayon ng SGJ. Hanap sila ng isang pitas kaso nga lang yung control dyan sa mid area, no, sa CR, wala sa kanilang kamay. Kaya ngayon, madaming kailangan pag-isipan. Paano ba natin to kukunin? Ano ba kailangan natin gawin para dito? Mahirap, matindi. At KSA,
Mhm.
tingnan mo ba naman, dahil sa sinasabi kong set trap na meron sila dyan sa mid-site, sila ay nadadali. Jay, finding 2. Ngayon, flashbang. Tuloy-tuloy pa din titigilan ang SGJ sa kanilang gustong gawin. Kel
No?
are able to find for one, but iisa lang ang kanyang pwedeng hanapin dito kasi
Wow,
si
one
Mel,
shot.
titigilan
No.
niya ang mga member dito ng SGJ. At Ubek Maniac na nagpapakita na ngayon ang kanilang lakas.
Yep. And that's the thing. Just like how I said, Mexico in action once again. This is why I don't love playing this map pagdating sa ranked match, man. It's so bad para sa mga BL side. Even in a 4v5, it is still possible to get a win. Pero SGJ, fast A ang kanilang plano dito and mukhang nag-overstack ang Ubek Maniac dito sa Sewers, expecting a push coming in from there since hindi gumagana ang mid control and an instant plant galing sa side ng SGJ. This map, you only need 2 rounds dito sa BL side in order to make it a good half. And this could be one of them, pare.
That is the win condition na ngayon. Kailangan nila panalunan tong post-plant situation, no? Retake naman ngayon ang galing sa Ubek Maniac, and it's really good for the side of SGJ. Smokes, natatapon na. Oras, nawawala. But somehow, they find
naubos
2
sila.
more pills. 13 seconds left. Doable.
Killer.
For the side of Ubek Maniac, kaso si Elvin, the last line of defense, makakahanap ng panalo for the side of SGJ on a round na which is a little bit scary for them. And the Ubek Maniac looked like they might have touched it out. Pero buti nilang SGJ, nasarado nila ang pinto.
Grabe, Dolph now wishing na he went to the alley side again with that shotgun. Could have actually gotten a flank going sa very fast pushing SGJ. Papasok ng A site. And that was closer than I expected, no, nung nakapasok na yung Ubek dito sa site natin. And yeah, I just expected that it would just be a wash para sa SGJ, but an attempt like that galing sa Ubek really can make you sweat. Pero SGJ, nakuha na nila yung BL round, and if they can get another one, that would be already a good half para sa SGJ. Pero KLP, Dolph, low HP na agad sa start ng round. Sniper could be taken out kung hindi siya careful dito. One nade and that man is already gone.
Kailangan maingat-ingat sila dito, and this is what we're talking about. Utility usage can be huge dito sa mapang to, as it is just the variables, just so many to account for this time around. Ano ang adjustment na gagawin dito ng SGJ? Mukhang contact play, flashbang, tinapon. I don't think they're gonna commit to this though. It is just an initial flash, leave maybe an insert. Hindi. Mukhang gusto talaga nila pasukan to, and it is patuloy-tuloy. Kaso nga lang, firing squad galing sa the Ubek Maniac, di nila alam si Keller, ganyan na palang kalalim, as they are able to finally take control of the site. And C4, kailangan pa ibaba dito, Jay! Huge kill! Napakalaki! Para sa side ng Ubek Maniac. Potential to clutch is high! Kasi si Keller, ayaw pa daw niya ibigay to. So, 30 seconds left on the clock. So many time to do this. For the retake, Jay, tuloy-tuloy lang. Finding one, Tino, last member, Sniper, kanyang kamay. Ano ba pwede niyang gawin dito? Tumatago sa mga bala, na golden headshot na din. And Ubek Maniac off the retake, taking that round sa kamay ng SGJ. Akala natin, that round was all for the side of SGJ. Kaso nga lang hindi. Ubek Maniac ang makahanap ng tamang panalo dyan. And this time around, ibang pacing ang gustong gawin dito ng SGJ. Mabilisan, tuloy-tuloyan, sa ilalim. Hanap sila ng dalawa. At siguro this time around, hindi na nito itutuloy. Back out lang, tamang granada lang, tamang smoke lang. And this time, it's just time to find different options in the map.
3v3 is what you want though. Kung kayo yung SGJ dito, it's a lot less spots to you have to worry about dito sa Mexico. And para naman sa Ubek, they're taking the 2-door route. You can cover naman A entrance from there. You can cover alley from there. Pero Elvin, naspot na agad si Dolph. Elvin spotting out si No. Pero si Jay, mawawalan din ng buhay. Just takes down Elvin with him. And SGJ, second round on the board. para sa kanila dito. And one more round. That is another round para sa SGJ. Could be a bonus here para sa kanila dito. And SGJ, they're gonna go the fast route sa mid. No, it's just gonna be some nades to try and punish itong si KLP who has been peeking itong EA. Pero kakalma muna dito yung UM. They're gonna be back on their default.
Mabilisan ang kanilang pinaggagawa dito at tama ka nga, isa pa maganda to para sa side ng SGJ if they ever are able to find another round. Sa mga nanonood, kapag itong mapang to, may pagka GR-sided tong mapang to. So, yung usually, pagdating dito sa mga pro teams natin, objective nila, kahit isa, kahit dalawa ang kunin nila dito sa blacklist side, okay na yun.
Oh, he
At
missed?
babawiin na lang nila ang mga nawalang round sa GR. Kasi ganun kalakas ang depensa ng
Oh,
GR
no,
side dito.
KLP.
Pero ang depensa ni KLP mukhang pa sira-sira. Hindi niya matamaan ang tamang shots and ngayon forced to back away siya. Ingat na lang siya sa loob ng mismong site. Kaso nga lang, yung lupa napunta na sa kamay ng SGJ. Madaming opsyon para sa kanila. Sa ilalim, meron. Sa CR, meron. Ngayon, mapapaisip na lang, Ubek Maniac, saan ba talaga sila pupunta?
Yep.
Smoke grenades natapon. Flash grenades sinatapon. Utility lang. Tamang gamitan lang ng utility. And this time around, it's a slower pace now from SGJ.
Yep. SGJ, KSA, looking for the opening pero naspatan siya dito sa crossfire ng mid. No getting 2 kills. KSA and Yobib already out pero Tino naka-return ng isa. 4v3 pero 1 HP dito si KLP. So isang HE papunta dito kay KLP and it's all the sudden tied up again. And they should actually expect na lumipat na si KLP dito sa A side considering his HP. Single nade, just like how I said. Pero B side yata ang hinahanap ng SGJ and that could be the right decision. Ang nakabantay lang dito sa UM ay nakapasok na ng alley. So Jay is aware na B side ang magiging pakay dito ng SGJ squad. Someone has to push itong alley to check. And he has to get the kill. Keller, so aggressive. Jay having to back off, waiting para sa kanyang teammates. And KLP, nakuha na kasi Tino. So that's the sniper gone for the side of SGJ. Isa sa alley, isa nakabantay dito sa B entrance. Keller galing sa likod. KLP with the quick trade. The spray down galing kay Elvin and Dolph. Getting the headshot at the end of the day. Ubek Maniac. Too close of a call pero panalo pa rin para sa kanila dito.
Ayaw daw nila ibigay ng isa pang punto sa side ng SGJ. Gusto daw nila ituloy-tuloy ang kanilang momentum and they want to take up as much rounds as they can dito sa GR side for SGJ. Kahit isa pa ang kanilang nakuha, maganda na CR control. Iba na naman ang pacing. Kaso, yung kombinasyon ng bala at ng granada masyadong malakas galing sa side ng Ubek Maniac GT at tingnan mo ba naman ngayon, damage has been done. Napakababa na ng buhay ni KSA. Red life na, 1 piso ang itong buhay niya. And this time around, the control of Ubek Maniac, napakalakas dito sa side.
Pero SGJ, still plenty of space to work with dito sa Mexico. Pero Tino
Plenty talaga.
trying to spot out. KLP almost hitting the shot kay Tino and that could have actually ended the round right then and there. Pero SGJ, wala talaga sila mahanap, man. Nag-try silang mag-push ng sewers pero na-push rin sila sa sewers with the superior numbers ng Ubek.
Ayun
And
na.
Elvin's gonna go down, trying to go aggressive. KSA on low HP, he might as well send it dito sa alley. Yung C4 napakalayo pa as well. Tino finding a snipe, trying at least sa door. Kaso ang dami pa ring miyembro dito ang ating Ubek Maniac na squad. Yeah, he's really trying to gain an advantage. Kaso an advantage cannot be found at all
Wala
dito sa
talagang
mapa
binibigay.
natin.
Wala talagang binibigay itong Ubek Maniac na pagkakamali dito sa side ng SGJ at tingnan mo ba naman, 1 minuto na lang ang kailangan nilang i-trigger dito. Kaso nga lang, hello, timing is not on their side. Di sila tumingin sa kanilang kanan and Ubek Maniac, isang spray down galing kay Dolph. They're able to take another round here and this time, SGJ needing to pick up 1 more round.
Oh, they're gonna go supers.
Kaya ba nila? Tuloy ba nila? Gusto na naman nila lumaban dito sa ilalim at gusto nila maghanap ng tamang pintuan para pumasok dito sa B-side or at least makahanap ng pitas and wala silang nahanap forced to back away na naman tong SGJ, and this time around, rotating to a different part of the map. Pero feeling ko, hindi pa to sapat para sa kanila. The space is still heavily contested by Ubek Maniac at alam nila na walang katao-tao na dyan sa ilalim, and they are now stacking dito sa CR side, exactly where SGJ wants to go. They're falling right into the trap of Ubek Maniac. Oo, nakatapon sila ng smoke grenade dito, but how long will that really hold it out for as the sniper of KLP holding it out?
Onto
Hanap
one.
ng isa. The trade eventually does come down, tapos ito naman na.
Oh, good
Tuloy-tuloy
shot.
na. Mag-spray and pray na lang ang dalawang team dito, and somehow si Jay na lang ang naiwan, and the C4 is in his sights.
He can play the
Kitang-kita
C4.
na ng kanyang mata, and yes, tama ka dyan, Sneaky. He will play the C4.
Yun lang. That small mistake galing sa SGJ. And Jay, with a very nice skill, pumasok sa loob ng A site ang C4. So it has to be a double peek. Galing kay Elvin, meron namang pintana na nagagaling dito sa alley that he can actually peek into that exact position na nakapasok dito si Jay. Pero si KSA is gonna try to go the door route. Elvin with the window play, pero KSA magagaling sa left side. And SGJ, 6 and 3 dito sa first half natin. Honestly, not too bad. Not too bad para dito sa SGJ in the first half considering Mexico yung mapa natin. But Ubek, you need to start off itong BL side with an immediate round.
It's not the worst start in the world for the side of SGJ. At least nakatatlo sila sa blacklist side. Ngayon nang ba, kaya ba nila ayusin ang kanilang GR? So far, maganda ang simula nila dito. Control sa CR, malakas. Kaso nga lang, sa ilalim, isa lang ang kanilang naiwan. And he needs to land his shots. Dolph, naghahanap, lumulusot ng katahimikan dito sa side ng A-Ali. At tinamon dito sa ilalim, mukhang gustong i-contesta to ng Ubek Mania. Kaso parang napaisip sila, may onting hesitasyon na sinasabi sa kanila, wag tayo dito, sa ibang party tayo ng mapa, and now it looks like it is a
Kolat pa nga.
disappointment for them. Kasi si Tino, dalawa, collateral. And
Oh.
that's a hard start for Ubek Maniac dito sa first half ng second round.
Grabe. Tino Magic already making himself known dito sa sewers. 2 kills with 1 shot. KLP, Dolph at Jay, familiar yung scenario na to. SGJ was also in the exact same scenario dito sa last half natin, and it didn't really bode well para sa kanilang mga rounds. Pero Keller, spotting na meron nang nag-smoke. May papunta ng mid eventually from that CR side. Pero KLP, pinik na dito si Tino. So Sewers is wide open at magkakalat dito yung SGJ. This is now the opportunity para sa Ubek na makahanap ng onting timing in between the rotations, pero hindi pa sila gumagalaw. 40 seconds instead, and this could be a straight up A run from the mid side. Papunta nga dito sa EA, pero kailangan nila i-check yung right side corner. Yobe with the first pick, nakuha na nga ni Jay, pero check pa nila dito si KSA, mukhang hindi. KSA even falling down. 2 low members for the side of Ubek, and Keller missing the shot. Ubek Maniac with the immediate score dito sa kanilang BL side. All they had to do was wait. Nasa kamay na ng SGJ yung round, pero naging over-aggressive ang SGJ sa Mexico, pare.
At this time around, it looks like that aggression will continue. Patuloy-tuloy lang din ang labanan ng titit natin dito. And no, una nakahanap ng pitas. KLB finding another one. Elvin trying to find the trades. Isa lang nahanap niya. KSA din para sa Respa. Kaso nga lang, masyadong maraming member dito. Galit tayo ng Ubek Maniac. Patuloy-tuloy lang din ang nangyayari dito. Nahulugan na ang mga miyembro ng SDJ, and KLB finding the final shot there, and Ubek Maniac finding more momentum dito sa second half natin. Dalawa nila, and tingnan mo ba naman, tuwang-tuwa sila. SDJ, a bit of a sad reaction there.
And 8-3, Ubek Maniac catching SGJ by surprise. Tino missing the shots sa sewers. That means RS was wide open para sa side ng Ubek Maniac. And the rotations are impossible, no? Pag wala kayong crossfire, by the time na makalabas yung kalaban dito sa sewers, then the defense is gonna fall apart immediately. Everyone was trying to rotate para ma-contain yung push na to from SGJ, but ended up in a 2v1, and Keller trying to go a bit aggressive pero mapabanish dito ni KLP. It's obvious na yung Ubek Maniac are a lot more comfortable sa mapa na to, but is SGJ playing the long game pare by picking Mexico first? I have a feeling.
I don't
I
know
have a
what you
feeling
mean by
na-
that.
I have a feeling you pick Mexico first, and then the last two maps para sa SGJ are pretty good para sa kanila. So getting this out of the way for game 1 could be
Maybe.
Could be lang naman. Could be. It's just a theory, in all honesty.
Pero yung
It's just a
piniling
theory.
mapa ng pangalawa is well, Ubek Maniac, they have the first of map 2, pero we're looking at map 1. SDJ finding the pickoffs that they need. Ayaw pa din nila matalo dito, and now it's a 1v2. KLP wala sa kamay
It's winnable.
wala sa kanyang kamay ang C4, and now sama-sama na ang SDJ ngayon. They're happily are going to give that C4 and just play retake na lang siguro dito sa A or sa B.
Yep.
And leaving KLP to decide, leaving KLP to think, saan ba sila nakapwesto? Nandito ba sila sa A? Nandito ba sila sa B? Kumbaga, ang word na gagamitin ko dito is paranoia. Di niya alam kung nasan ang kanyang kalaban, and this might play into a factor, pero mukhang tama ang kanyang guess. Papasok na din siya dito sa A, wala siya nakitang kalaban, and the C4 plant will have to come down. Planted for mid. Okay. Smoke grenade, tinapon na din, pero alam ata ng side ng SDJ na it's not a real smoke. Walang threat dyan, but it actually, as I say that, it actually happens to make them force to rotate. Ngayon, 23 seconds na lang dito sa orasan. Oo, may granada. Tino taking damage.
Tino might die.
Nagtapunan na naman. Elvin, red life. Tino, red life. Hanap si Tino. One-on-one. Elvin, Tino.
He's gonna hold it.
KLP,
But he
holding it down. Needs to find the last
inikutan niya.
person, and
Inikutan
KLP,
niya.
ang layo ng inikutan niya at hindi nakala ng mga miyembro ng SGJ. At tingnan mo ba naman yung reaction nila? Napakasad. Parang may nanakaw sa kanila. And Ubek Maniac napunta na dito sa map point natin, Sneaky.
Yeah, Ubek Maniac. Now, nasa kamay na nila ang laro na to. Wala pang nakukuha. I think isang round pa lang nakukuha dito ng SGJ dito sa kanilang GR side. Pero Ubek Maniac, their superior map knowledge pagdating nga dito sa Mexico is really showing dito sa map number 1 pa lang. And SGJ, regrets are starting to set in na pinili nito as their first map. But at the same time, the rest of the veto is looking good para sa kanila dito. And Ubek, all they have to do is get this first game out of the way para may momentum sila for map number 2. So let's see what happens. Elvin leading the charge so far para sa SGJ. Pero tignan mo naman, evidence sa sinabi ko kanina, Ubek Maniac is more of a team. So 12, 10, 13, 10, 10, man, sobrang pantay ng kanilang kills dito kasi everyone is doing their job.
Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work. At yan ang ginagawa dito ng Ubek Maniac. Pero nakatulong din, no? Now you have members that can pull off clutches and shots like that. And entry, ang bilis. Kumbaga, pumikit ka lang, bigla na lang, na Ferrari kick sa mukha. Jay, able to find for one. Dog finding another one, and the numbers advantage naman ngayon. Gusto sa side ng Ubek Maniac. Gusto ata kapusin ng mga miyembro ng Ubek Maniac itong mapang to. And SGJ, Keller, left alone, needing to clutch. Mahirap, madami.